Okay, so let's do a quick little review. We put a cover in, we put a title page on, we put in a stack here, if we open it up, of student work. So a little project within a project. We've learned if we come over to the left side and we click on our main assignment, our main project, we go back to the beginning. Now let's add some fun stuff. Let's add some video and some other things like that. I'm going to come over here to add content, and I'm going to go ahead and I think first I'll grab an image of Chip Kid to start it out, and we'll call it Chip Kid. And I'm going to go look for that, and it's in this little folder I put together. And where's one of him? Let's use that one. Create. So now I would say, oh, here we go. We're going to talk about amazing book jacket, book cover artist, Chip Kid, and then we can come over here and I can go and get a YouTube video that I've already looked for. And let's see, not this one. We'll do that one in a second, but we're going to get this one first. And let me pause that so we don't have to hear it. And we will get this. You can hit share, get the link, copy that, bring it back to our project, and right here where it says YouTube URL, paste that in, click create. Okay, and now you can see this looks like a little screen, and you can see it's got the play symbol, so it's right there. Again, we got to turn these on. I've forgotten to do that a few times. Then what we can do is, let's say I want to show a bunch of his work, like I showed student work. I'm going to create a new stack, so it's a presentation in a presentation. The title of it's going to be Chip Kid work. And I'm going to hit create. Oh, keep forgetting you got to name it in both places, the stack name and the title. So here's another stack. We can tell because it's got that little tab at the bottom. I'm going to turn it on to get used to doing that. Open the stack up, and I'm going to add content to the stack. Images, and I'm going to browse. I'll just grab all these even though there's a couple portraits of him in there. And we'll hit OK and create. And now it's going to pull in all those images of his book covers he's done from the folder. And again, that usually takes a few minutes depending on your size. So they're all right here. We can again select all up here, publish on, so they're all on. Go over to the left and choose our assignment. And now we have a picture of him, a video, a stack of all his work, not all of it, but some of it. And we can then go ahead and, I like this video, I'm going to add another video from YouTube. And this video shows, he's showing his process on how he actually designs a cover, which I thought was really interesting. And I'm going to share, I'm going to grab the link, copy it, go back to my project, paste it in, and click create, and OK. And I'll turn that on. So now we see a little video about his work, we see some of his work, and then we see a video on the process of how he actually creates these things. So fairly quickly we've put together a pretty, comprehensive little lecture you could give your class with interesting images and video. Now in the last video, I know I said there was going to be two. I could not fit it all in. So in the last video we're going to do a couple things. We're going to add social media things to this, like Facebook and Twitter. We're also going to then look at the different ways you can view this presentation and a few ways that you can embed it and share it with other people.